Good morning, everyone. Today, I am honored to stand before you all to speak about an unforgettable personality, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri is a symbol of compassion, of selflessness, and of patriotism. As the Prime Minister of India, he displayed remarkable determination amidst adversities, instilling admiration through his unwavering commitment to the nation even today. Even before serving as Prime Minister, he was not afraid to stand up for what was right, to stand up and fight for the betterment of India against the British, despite the repercussions that came with it. His patriotism, too, was not just a sentiment, but a way of life. He believed in the potential of every Indian, urging us to unite and face our challenges with bravery and grit. His renowned motto, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, a phrase that retains influence even today, touched the souls of millions, acknowledging the priceless efforts of our military and farmers alike. He imparted the wisdom that a nation's strength lies in its harmony and the collective ambitions of its people. To top it all off, his selflessness was evident in every action and every decision that he made. He put the needs of the country and of the people above his own, setting an example of leadership focused on serving others. He showed genuine concern for every citizen, and his empathy exceeded far beyond the realm of politics. He always strived diligently to work and improve others' lives. It is essential that we embrace these values as well, especially in today's world, clouded with grief, judgment, and division. We need to honor his legacy by aspiring towards a better tomorrow, where we motivate and care for each other and serve our country with the same fervor that he did. I believe that there is a part of Shastriji in every Indian. In every act of kindness and moment of unity, his spirit lives on. Let us carry forward his torch of inspiration and make our country with the vision that he had in mind, benevolence and resilience. Thank you.